Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope that you are very well. I'm great. Today it's a nice day. It's not sunny, but it's cloudy and a little bit rainy. So that's why I am drinking a cup of tea. Very nice. So, everybody, welcome to my second story. I hope that you liked my first story. Yes, guys? And the title is The Magic Toys Go on Holiday. So, guys, I know that you have got a lot of toys, yes? For example, you have a ball, probably a car, puzzle, and then what else? You tell me, guys. Bike, for example. Okay. In this story, the magic toys go on holiday. Let's see where they are going. And look at this yellow bag. Inside it, there is an animal. Can you see? So, guys, please write your answer in the comments and write me what animal is this. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Departures. So, everybody, the Lee family is on holiday. As you can see, they are at the airport. And thanks, bye. So they just got off the taxi and they have got their suitcases, and maybe you can hear my baby crying also. I'm so sorry, guys. And that boy has got a yellow bag. Now they are at the airport, the security check. The mommy says, "What's in the yellow bag, Sam?" "Toys, Mom." Look at the yellow bag. I see pencils. I see pencils, a tablet, glasses, and 2 animals. "What's that?" "My spider." "Is it magic?" Haha. No. So guys, look at these toys. One is cat and the other one is spider. Yes, so your answer is spider. Okay. So guys, tell me, are these animals real or just toys? I don't know. So now they are on the plane. Okay. Dinner, Mr. Barker. Yes, please. Fish is my favorite food. Fish is yummy. I love fish. Very good. Amy likes the game on her tablet. Look, Amy with her tablet, and Sam reads. So guys, you tell me, when you are on the plane, what do you like doing? Playing on your tablet or reading a book? Write me. They sleep now. Are the toys in the bag? No. So everybody look. Everyone is sleeping. And look at Sam's bag. Yes, yellow bag. and it is open. And look at the spider. Look at the cat. Are these two toys sleeping? I don't think so. So the cat is taking a photo and the spider is just going away. The spider looks at the glasses. He likes them. So look at the spider and the glasses. Look at me. I also wear glasses. Wee, a black thing. It's got legs. The toys run. The toys run back to the bag. There's a spider. Haha, a spider? No. I see beautiful sea and trees. Look, guys. Where are my glasses? Where are they? Thailand is beautiful. Yes, and this is a magic holiday. So, look at the table. They are eating. So guys, here again, look at the yellow bag. And what is this? You tell me. Thai food. Good. Do you like it, Sam? Yes. Oh! Look at the tablet, guys. Amy and Sam, look at the tablet. It's magic! And now, if you can see, everybody, the spider is just smiling. So, spider and cat, yes, they are toys, but they are just magic toys. Okay, so everybody, thank you for listening to me. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I'm going to send you some activities for this story as well. Please stay tuned. Have a great day, okay? And I'm going to read you a new story again next week. Goodbye, everyone.